I need to pick up my coffee before they run out of almond milk.
Pick it up? Is your coffee on the floor and run out of milk? Is the milk going jogging?
Not exactly.
If you don't know what this means, this video is for you.
Welcome back to Chat and Learn English. I'm Ben.
And I'm Sophia. Today we are back at the coffee shop.
You will learn 5 phrasal verbs you can hear at almost any coffee shop.
We will keep it simple, natural, and useful.
Listen for the phrases, then practice out loud.
Hi there. Are you ordering or are you here to pick up?
I'm here to pick up an order for Ben.
So, pick up means get something you already ordered?
Exactly. I ordered ahead and now I'm getting it.
Nice, that makes sense.
Pick up means get or collect something. At a coffee shop, you can pick up an order, a drink, or a bag of pastries. Spanish and Portuguese speakers sometimes translate collect too formally. In casual English, say, pick up my order. Repeat, I'm here to pick up my order.
I'm here to pick up my order.
Just a heads up, we ran out of almond milk. We still have regular milk and oat milk.
Ah, so nobody's running. The milk is finished.
Right. They ran out of almond milk.
Did they run out of small cups too?
Not yet, but we are low on lids.
Then we should order before they run out of everything.
Run out of means have no more left. It is not separable. Say, run out of sugar, not run sugar out. Spanish and Portuguese speakers often say, the milk finished. In natural English, say, we ran out of milk. Repeat, they ran out of almond milk.
They ran out of almond milk. Mini recap. Pick up means get an order or collect something.
And run out of means there is no more left.
Perfect. Now I need to choose a drink before the line gets longer.
Do you want hot tea, iced coffee, or juice?
I like all three.
Sophia, make up your mind. The barista is ready.
I'm trying, but okay, I made up my mind. I'll get hot tea.
Great choice. Anything else?
I still need to make up my mind about a pastry.
Take the fruit one. Decision made.
Make up your mind means decide. You can say make up your mind or make your mind up. But the first version is more common. Spanish and Portuguese speakers may translate decide me. In English, say I can't make up my mind. Repeat, I can't make up my mind.
I can't make up my mind.
Would you like me to fill up your water bottle?
Yes, please. Could you fill it up?
And can you fill up this cup with ice water?
Of course.
This place is starting to fill up too.
Good thing we came early. In 10 minutes, every table will be full.
Fill up means make something completely full. With an object, it is separable. Fill it up. It can also mean a place becomes full. Spanish and Portuguese speakers may say, fill the bottle complete. Natural English is, fill up the bottle. Repeat, could you fill it up, please?
Could you fill it up, please? Mini recap 2. Make up your mind means decide.
Fill up means make something full, like a bottle, or become full, like a busy coffee shop. Is Mia coming?
She said she would show up around 11.
Show up, like appear on a stage with lights?
No, just arrive, but that would be dramatic.
Last time, she did not show up until lunch.
True. Oh, she just texted. She says she will show up in 5 minutes.
Good.
Show up means arrive or appear at a place. It is not separable. Say, she showed up, not, she showed herself up. Spanish and Portuguese speakers may use appear too often. In everyday English, show up sounds more natural. Repeat, what time did she show up?
What time did she show up?
Full recap. Pick up means get or collect something, like an order.
Run out of means have no more left. A coffee shop can run out of milk, cups, or napkins.
Make up your mind means decide.
Fill up means make something full, like a bottle, or become full, like a room.
Show up means arrive.
These phrases are common at coffee shops, but they are useful in many daily situations.
Try one today. You can say, I'm here to pick up my order, or they ran out of sugar.
Or, I can't make up my mind, which is very useful when you want 3 drinks.
Thanks for learning with us at Chat and Learn English.
Subscribe for more real English and simple conversations.
And comment. Which coffee shop phrase do you hear the most?
Next video, lend versus borrow. Stop confusing these.
See you next time.